So this is going to be a video of the Dillon 550 6.5 Creedmoor case feeder in action. When you do go to fill this for the first time, I highly recommend that you pre-charge it, put a case into the bottom, because the velocity of the case coming down the drop tube is going to be so fast, and when it comes down, it's going to just drop right in. So put that first case in there, start filling your drop tube. Turn on your case collator if you've created one for this. Alright, got about 13 cases in there. So, if you've watched my instructional video, I'm just going to kind of walk you through what's happening here. So I've pre-charged it. We've got the first case coming through. We've got important timing to make sure that case clears the primer, the pin. Remove your primer. It clears, it's in there. You finish your upstroke. The ram clears the top. Coming on your downstroke. Completed that operation. You seat your primer. And in the process of this, it pushes the ram back enough to allow the next case to drop. You seated your primer, rotate your station, repeat the process. Ram goes forward, it goes up, comes back, repeat. So now I'm going to zoom out so you get a little better view of everything going on here. So I haven't seated my primer yet. Drops my case. Rotate your station. This goes up. Case needs to clear your die, get centered, completes that. Ram needs to come back, clear the top of the feeder, of the press. Complete your upstroke. Bring it back down. Push it forward. Seat your primer. Before you finish seating your primer, your case drops. That timing is important. You finish seating your primer. Rotate. So, I've been able to reproduce the result on this quite a few times, so you should have good success putting this together and having a successful 6.5 Creedmoor case feeder. And as I said in my instructional video, Dillon never intended a case feeder for the 550. The one they made was an afterthought. They also have never made a rifle feeder for it because they said they couldn't make one work reliable. I've seen a video of someone who took the Dillon case feeder and converted to 308 and got it to run. This is 6.5 Creedmoor. I couldn't get the timing right with this design for 308. Couldn't get it there fast enough and get the ram out fast enough, but maybe you can. I'm going to put up all the fusion files for everything here, which is based off the original step files from the original creator of this. And if you can improve it, awesome. Post up, share your work, share your files. Let's keep this project alive here. It's about time that all of us should be able to 3D print a case feeder for the 550. And let's keep it passing that on, improving on this. I hope someone improves on my design and figures out how to solve some of these problems and make this a little easier. Moving on next to come up with a case collator for this based on the open bullet feeder. I'm going to try and come up with a collator option to feed this system. So, this is making the best of a lot of challenges with some slight compromises, but if you do get this tuned properly, which really isn't that hard once you understand how it works, you watch my instructional video, it really goes through that, you should be able to get this set up and enjoy feeding 6.5 Creedmoor and your Dillon 550.